I'm doing Justin Augustin's April challenge, and Justin, if you're listening to this was really good. I mean, this month it's all about aerobics, and they're kind of pushing it, getting a little going there. I had to sit down a couple of times because this one was no joke, and at the end of it, boy, did I feel good, and I'm so happy that I took the time out to do it. Not only does my body thank me, my mental health thanks me. So if you guys are struggling too with just getting something done, getting a little bit of movement in, I suggest even if it's only 5 minutes, do it. It's going to make you feel so much better. And you know what? I have to continue to take my own advice because I have not been good at doing that over the last month or so. But I'm changing that. And again, I'm reminding myself that I am worth it and that I have value and that it is important for me to take care of my body because no one else is going to do it for me.